This is a question from thermodynamics for 1 mark. A closed vessel contains pure water in thermal equilibrium with its vapor at 25 degrees centigrade, stage 1, as shown. Okay, so this is stage 1, which has water and its vapor inside a closed vessel under 25 degrees centigrade thermal condition. The vessel in this stage is then kept inside an isothermal oven, which is having an atmosphere of hot air maintained at 80 degrees centigrade. So this closed vessel is placed inside an isothermal oven maintained at 80 degrees centigrade. The vessel exchanges heat with the oven atmosphere and attains a new thermal equilibrium, stage 2. If the valve A is now opened inside the oven, what will happen immediately after opening the valve? After attaining thermal equilibrium at stage 2, if the valve A attached to the closed vessel is open, what will happen? That is the question. So the 4 options are displayed on the screen, and according to the official key, the correct answer to this question is option B, which is hot air will go inside the vessel through valve A. Let's move on to detailed solution and find how. Let us consider stage 1 and stage 2 again. Okay, to initiate the solution, we need to remember 2 points. In stage 1, since water vapor is present, the pressure will be always less than the atmospheric pressure. That is the first point to be remembered. And in stage 2, since it is placed inside the oven, the water vapor receives heat and gets superheated since the vessel is placed inside an oven at 80 degrees centigrade. Okay. Also, we need to remember that in stage 2, the heating of water vapor takes place at constant volume since the oven has a fixed boundary. Okay. That indicates that when volume is constant, pressure is directly proportional to temperature. So using that condition, we can write P1 by P2 is equal to T1 by T2. Let us know what is P1 first. P1 is the saturated vapor pressure of the water vapor and water at 25 degrees centigrade. That comes out to be 3.17 kilopascal, which is a standard value. Let us consider P2 as the pressure of the mixture at 80 degrees centigrade after thermal equilibrium is attained. Similarly, let us consider T1 as the initial temperature of the mixture at 25 degrees centigrade, that is 25 plus 273. Converting that into Kelvin will give us 298 Kelvin. Similarly, T2 is the final temperature of the mixture, which is 80 degrees centigrade. Okay, converting that into Kelvin will give us 353 Kelvin. We have P1, T1 and T2. Substitute in this particular equation to get P2. So after substituting and simplifying, we get P2 as 3.75 kilopascals. Okay. Remember, P2 is the pressure of the mixture at 80 degrees centigrade after thermal equilibrium is attained. Okay. Since the atmospheric pressure is 101.3 kilopascal and the obtained pressure after thermal equilibrium is 3.75, this pressure is less than the atmospheric pressure. So because of the consequence of pressure difference, hot air goes inside the vessel. Okay. So that is why hot air will go inside to the closed vessel as soon as the valve A is opened.